This Coldwell Banker Elite, Realtors property video is presented by Judy Yelverton. This is your lucky day. I know you have been looking for a nearly new, 3-bed, 2-bath in the marvelous family area of Wake Village, with a family room for mom and dad and a bonus room upstairs to send the kids to. An open floor plan allows the chef to be part of the family room activities, or to watch the Food Network on TV. Soft, warm, neutral colors make decorating a breeze. The private backyard backs up to greenery and is a blank slate for whatever you dream of in terms of patio, pool, or outdoor grilling station. The present owners have enjoyed a fire pit that will stay. Wake Village is still growing and this lovely home is in the very area of the new builds. Lots of families enjoy living here, lots of safe streets are perfect for walking the dog, thus, lots to love about this home and the community. For more information